Guys, kembali lagi di channel
bentuk-bentuk yang cuaca ya.
No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
A few moments later.
Arsip Ewok. Ya. Kali ini kita akan ke air terjun. Air terjun apa nih? Jami di. Ya.
Jami guys.
Oke guys, ketemu lagi di channel Arsil Ewok. Dan video jalan-jalan kali ini kita akan ke air terjun Jami yang berlokasi di Desa Bonto Manurung, Dusun Bonto Somba, Kecamatan Tompobulu, Kabupaten Maros. Oke, kami memulai perjalanan dari Kota Makassar di titik kumpul SPBU Talas Salapang, Jalan Alauddin ke air terjun Jami memakan waktu sekitar 1 jam 48 menit dengan jarak tempuh sekitar 55 km. Dan seperti inilah kondisi jalan masuk ke air terjun Jami. Kondisinya masih pengerasan, jadi jangan datang pada saat hujan karena tentunya akan licin dan becek. Haha.
I know what it's like, I know how it feels. Let the pain break you down now, you gotta give it time to heal. Don't worry now, even though the fear is real. Just hold on. If you you're looking for a sign, something to carry you back into the light, love is the answer. Love is the answer. When you're ready, start again. I'll be here waiting, reaching out my hands. Love is the answer. Love is the answer. I know it's a struggle, I know it's a fight, not to end every day feeling like you've been living a lie. It's time to be free, it's time to find peace by the water, and just hold on. If you're looking for a sign, something to carry you back into the light, love is the answer. Love is the answer. When you're ready, start again. I'll be here waiting, reaching out my hands. Love is the answer.